Welcome back, gadget lovers. Today we're diving into 6 mind-blowing tech gadgets that make your everyday life smarter, smoother, and more exciting. From phone accessories to smart tools and innovative cleaning kits, this list has something for everyone who loves clever technology. So sit back, grab your favorite snack, and get ready to explore some seriously impressive finds. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 6, SUPCASE Magnetic Wallet. This innovative wallet is designed exclusively for iPhone 16, 15, 14, and 13 series and is fully MagSafe compatible. It seamlessly snaps to your iPhone case with a powerful 3000G magnetic lock that keeps it secure no matter how you move. The RFID blocking technology adds a layer of protection against data theft, keeping your card safe wherever you go. But what really makes this stand out is its built-in 360 degrees adjustable stand that doubles as a phone holder, perfect for watching videos, video calls, or streaming on the go. With space for up to 6 cards, it's a smart combination of style, safety, and function. Number 5. Smart Electric Opener. Say goodbye to manual effort with this automatic can opener. Designed for seniors, people with arthritis, or anyone who just loves convenience, this gadget opens cans hands-free with just one touch. It runs on 4 AA batteries and smoothly cuts along the sides, leaving a smooth, safe edge. No sharp metal, no spills. It even comes with a built-in lid remover for extra convenience. The ergonomic design makes it easy to use for everyone in the kitchen. Whether it's a family dinner or a quick lunch prep, this device is the perfect helping hand. Number 4. SHARGE Retro Charger. This 67-watt GAN charger doesn't just perform, it looks incredible. The retro design combined with next-gen GAN technology makes it a standout for tech lovers. With 3 USB-C ports, it supports fast charging for phones, tablets, and even laptops. It's compatible with PD 3.0, QC 3.0, and many other protocols, so no matter your device, it's covered. It's compact, efficient, and safe, with international certifications like CE and RoH. This charger blends nostalgia with modern power, truly the best of both worlds. Number 3. FNIRSI Soldering Iron. Precision, power, and portability. This soldering kit brings all 3 together. With PD 100W adjustable power, you can easily set the perfect temperature between 100 degrees Celsius and 450 degrees Celsius. It heats up in seconds, saving you time during repairs or creative projects. The lightweight and ergonomic design ensures comfort during long sessions, making it ideal for hobbyists and professionals alike. Whether you're fixing circuit boards or creating custom electronics, this kit delivers reliability on the go. Number 2. Peakzooc Phone Case. Meet the phone case that does more than just protect your device. The Peakzooc case is stylish, durable, and surprisingly functional. Made from sturdy plastic, it's compatible with iPhone 16 Pro, 16 Pro Max, and 15 series models. But here's the game changer. It comes with built-in storage for SIM, SD, and TF memory cards. There's also a magnetic bracket for effortless hands-free use, turning your phone into a mini workstation or movie screen. It's sleek, practical, and a perfect travel companion. Number 1. K&F Cleaning Kit, the ultimate cleaning solution for your gadgets. The 20-in-1 kit includes everything from a flocking spun and lens brush to an air blower and microfiber cloth. Whether it's your AirPods, phone, keyboard, or camera, this kit helps you remove dust, fingerprints, and dirt effortlessly. It's a must-have for photographers, office workers, and tech enthusiasts who love to keep their devices spotless. The AirPod cleaner, camera brush, and screen spray make your gear look and feel brand new. Compact, powerful, and versatile, this kit proves that small tools can make a huge difference. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.